This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Michael Pappas. 4+ bonus or 5th bedroom, 3.5 baths, 3-car oversized garage, all brick, low maintenance, premium wood-clad weather shield premium, factory finished, no paint required, 3,200+ square feet, beautiful brick steps and brick porch leading to decorative glass entry system, extensive detailed masonry and brickwork with premium buff mortar, which provides elegant appearance to the front. Elevation design consists of living room, dining room, den, large bonus room, 4 bedrooms, and kitchen with large breakfast bay, sunroom design, and approximately 1,000 square feet of floored attic covered porch with masonry foundation, adjacent deck with rear sidewalk connecting to driveway, matching granite countertops and fireplace, hearth and surround, extensive hardwood flooring, 2 sets of stairs, many other features. For more information, review the details below or contact Michael Pappas at 865-693-1111.